In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, title, and save a Google form in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, we need to navigate to Google Drive. So open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Otherwise, you won't be able to create a form. Once you're signed in and on the homepage, we can move on to the next step. Now that you're in Google Drive, look for the big blue New button, usually located in the upper left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. After you click, a drop-down menu will appear with different options. From this menu, you want to select Google Forms. Click on that option and a new tab will open with an untitled form just waiting for you to get creative. It's a blank canvas, so let's move on to titling your form. In the upper left corner of this new tab, you'll see some text that says Untitled Form. Click directly on that text. This will let you type in your desired title. Think about what you want to call your form. It could be something specific like Event Registration, or more general like Feedback Form. Whatever you choose, type it in, and now we've officially given our form a name. Once you've titled your form, it's time to add some content. You'll notice a floating menu on the right side of the form. It starts with a plus icon, which is your key to adding different types of questions. Click on that icon, and you'll see several options like multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, and even drop-downs. Choose the type of question you want to add, and then type in your question text. You can continue to customize your form by adding more questions or changing the order of them as you see fit. It's a super intuitive process. Just keep using that floating menu to add whatever questions you want. You can ask for text responses, provide options for people to choose from, or even add images if needed. Now here's something really cool about Google Forms. It has an autosave feature. This means that as you create and edit your form, every change you make is automatically saved. You can confirm this for yourself by looking at the message that appears near the title in the upper left corner. It will say, "All changes saved in Drive." This way, you don't have to worry about losing your work. And that's how you create, title, and save a Google form in Google Drive. It's really that simple, whether you're using it for a survey, an event, or just to gather information. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more tips and tutorials like this. Happy form designing, and see you next time.